Welcome to Mind Exposed. Today, we confront the deepest drain on your life, why you are perpetually mentally tired. You wake up tired, you move through the day, already drained. And even after doing almost nothing physical, your mind still feels exhausted. This is the silent exhaustion. It starts the moment you open your eyes and follows you until the moment you close them, making every hour feel heavy. So what is really happening? Why the paradox of mental exhaustion, even when your body has done so little physical work? What if your brain is working nonstop, processing everything, even when your body is resting? And what if this silent exhaustion is slowly controlling your life? The first great drain is the invisible mental load. Your brain is processing more information than ever before in history. Messages, notifications, constant decisions. You are always reacting, always switching, always thinking. Even when you pause, your mind does not. This creates an invisible load, a constant pressure you don't notice, but always feel. You feel busy, but not productive. You feel active, but not focused. And slowly, your energy drains. That is mental fatigue building in silence. The second great energy thief is the overthinking loop. Your mind doesn't stop. It replays the past, predicts the future, and questions everything. It replays the past, predicts the future, and questions everything. It's a non-stop analysis of things that already happened or might never happen. You analyze small details and create problems that don't exist yet. Overthinking feels like control, but it is actually a drain on your cognitive resources. It keeps your brain active all the time. Even in silence, there is noise, and that noise consumes energy. The more you think, the more tired you become. How often do you overthink daily? Comment below and let us know. The third factor is modern society's weapon against focus: dopamine overload. Your brain is overstimulated by constant, instant pleasure. Short videos, instant rewards, endless scrolling. These create constant dopamine spikes, and your brain adapts to expect stimulation all the time. So when things slow down, your mind feels bored. Work feels heavy. Focus becomes difficult. You lose energy faster because your brain is not resting. It is overloaded. You are not just tired, you are overstimulated. The fourth challenge is confusing fake rest with real rest. You think you are relaxing, but your brain is still working hard. Scrolling is not rest. Watching content is not rest. It keeps your mind engaged, demanding attention and processing power right until you sleep. True rest is silence. No input, no stimulation. But most people actively avoid silence. And without real rest, your brain never recovers. So the deep fatigue stays. It's time to take back your energy. Start by reducing unnecessary mental input. It's about consciously creating space. Limit your screen time, especially before bed. Sit in silence daily for just 10 minutes. Write your thoughts down to empty your mental RAM. Move your body to convert mental energy into physical release. Focus intensely on one task at a time. Protect your mornings from notifications. Let your brain slow down, intentionally, because mental energy is your real power. And if you protect it, you take back control. Take back your mind. Subscribe Mind Exposed for more psychological insights.